Hello everyone and welcome back to Routine Station. In this video, we are going to talk about something different. As you may know, in this channel, we're talking about price prediction based off the market cap of each coin. But in this video, we're going to talk about Binance BNB Chain, Beacon Chain, which they are going to switch it off very soon. As it is here declared on 8th of January, BEP2 and BEP20 smart chain are going to be merged together, which is scheduled on April 2024. Then it's better if we have any asset, crypto asset on BEP2, which is the chain start address is with BNB, to move it to Binance Smart Chain. Here it is written, according to its January announcement, it's strongly recommended to transfer their BEP2 and BEP8 mini BEP2 token to BEP20 chain, which will preserve assets on a 1-to-1 ratio. What does it mean? It means any asset you have, for instance, you have a Bitcoin on BNB chain, you can transfer it 1 Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin over the network to receive it on Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to explain the detail, how is the procedure also for this movement. If you have a look on BNB Explorer, here is explorer.bnbchain.org, you can find here they put the announcement, BNB Beacon Chain sunset is in progress. Please take action to manage your assets. And then if you click on learn more, you will see this website. It's written and it's talking about the BNB chain fusion is a strategic shift to migrate the Beacon chain's functionalities to BNB Smart Chain BSC and retire Beacon chain. But let's just understand how different are these two networks. If you have it in your wallet, then the address should be in this format. BNB, then the rest is your crypto wallet address. This is for the network is going to be switched off very soon. And this one is for Binance Smart Chain. Binance introduced another OP BNB and they are introducing a new chain. Therefore, they want to shut down this network and then fully migrate to this network. Then if you have it, your asset, any asset, could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, any kind of token, Polkadot, you have it on BNB, it's better to move it to Binance Smart Chain. But there is one but. Some assets are fully backed and they are supported by cross-chain migration. Some of them, they are not. If your asset is fully supported by Binance, then you can just simply go to your trust wallet or the wallet you have the asset on it, and then you can do this cross-chain swap, which I'm going to explain this one later. Otherwise, you should send your asset to any exchange, centralized exchange, which also here is talking about that one. Notify the centralized exchange and wallet to disable deposit to Beacon chain and support transfer asset to Binance Smart Chain. Then from that time, you can withdraw your assets from the Binance Smart Chain if that exchange, centralized exchange, is supported. Then this move aims to streamline the network, improve efficiency, reduce security risk, and align BNB chain's architecture with the current technological demands and future growth. This is the main reason why they want to switch off BNB chain, not Binance Smart Chain. Then this is the roadmap. You can find about it on January 2024. They start this preparation. They talk about this one and they will notify everyone about it. Then it has 4 stages, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one, it is in July, and it's better we do it in April before the deadline to move whatever we stake, because if you stake anything on BNB, for instance, you stake your BNB to get the reward, it will take 7 days to be on a stake. Then do it, this action, before end of April 2024. So here in this link, you can find about this the other things like atomic swap, the deadline you can see here for the validators. You can see the deadline for delegators. All the details are here. Then let's go to this screenshot to understand how is the procedure. Then you go to your trust wallet. You have in the bottom, you have a swap option. In the swap option, you can choose two networks. You want to transfer your asset from one network to other networks. And here you should select BNB Beacon chain, whatever crypto you have. For instance, here I have a BNB. I selected the BNB. Then here you can select the asset you want to transfer to new chain. And then here you have your Binance Smart Chain. The one is going to be our new host, our new network. Then you can select the amount of coin you want, and then you should press on continue. Then you pay like a 0.004 at the time of recording is around $1.40, 43 cents. Then it will take like a couple of minutes. Then you will receive your asset here, like the way I did this. I transfer one BNB from this chain from Beacon chain to Binance Smart Chain. This is the way. Otherwise, you can send it to centralized exchange, and from centralized exchange, then you withdraw it in the Binance Smart Chain. But as I mentioned, it does not support all the assets. For instance, if you come here, you can find asset Web20, and then here is the list of assets. But it does not support all of them. It supports some of them. Then it's better to do it. Otherwise, your asset will stuck in BNB. Of course, they explain there is a way to get it out, but that's again a headache and there are more difficulty. Then do not postpone it to the last second to want to do it. It will become more complex and difficult. Thank you so much for watching this video. As I mentioned in this channel, I mostly talk about price prediction based off the market cap. But if you like this kind of informative video or tutorial, please let me know in the comment beneath. Then I'm going to consider also this kind of video. If you like the content, please consider to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and share it with your friend. See you in the next video.